Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 4 hour time frame, looking at the scenarios from the up top here. Again, this is the higher time frame expectation where we had this as a three-way move coming down into the lows of this June 16th or 17th. Then again, this would be the first structure that we had completed already. The question here is whether this is the connector wave, which is connecting this first structure over here to the next down here, or whether this whole structure is that connector wave where we are expecting one more lower wave structure afterwards. So those are the two higher time frame expectations. This one again would be the first structure into W, three-way pullback into that X, and then looking for a three-way pullback down to that wave Y. Again, that would be more bearish. Here we would be looking this at as the other option where we had this as a three-way structure coming down into the W, three ways into X, and then another ABC coming back down. In relation for this count would be the highs that we had here on the August 15th. And yeah, that would be around $4,300. But at the moment we are right around the golden pocket. And if we are looking at the smaller time frame count, there are definitely ideas that we could be soon to be finished or finishing this count here. So let's take a look at the more local structures, get rid of these. Higher time frame ones for now. And what we had here was that we had the bearish idea where we had this as a three-way structure. And the idea here was that we had either this as the wave Y. Let me move that over. As that wave Y, or this would be the first structure of that wave Y. So we would be either creating this as three-way structure or a three-way structure like this and then upwards. So there are still possibilities which are not really very clear as of yet. But again, we'll keep on looking into this count still later on. We have still yet to hit the one-to-one extension in price on either this structure as the three-way structure, nor we did hit it on this ABC structure. Again, very same extension targets. The inner wave counts are just different. Cohen's triangle count is still this one where we had. Actually, I should be adding those together in here, where we had this as the potential A, B, C, D, E into that wave 4, having contracting look here on RSI as well, speaks for the count. And then we could have this as some kind of a far-away structure. At the moment, we have yet to take out the highs here, at least on the futures markets, around $4,050, but we are very close to it. We are also getting on 30 minutes these divergences from these highs over here, as a potential again place 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are definitely looking to short. I'm already short on the Dow, which has already taken out its highs of basically these highs that we had on August. So that is actually very much more bullish than the other ones, other structures. And if I should show you, I could show you this one where we are still having this double divergence already on 4 hour time frame, and also some other indicators are saying that okay, we are definitely starting to get oversold here, and with these two divergences, if not taken out, we could be starting to lose faith and start pumping downwards soon. But again, let's focus on the SP500 for now, where we are still looking for that potential fifth. Again, the expectation here is that we are going to be taking out the highs of wave 3 here, and that is definitely something that we need to be looking into. On 30 minutes, again, as mentioned, we had these divergences here. We had the divergence from the 3rd of 3rd into the 5th of 3rd, and from here 5th of 3rd into the next highs here already, once we take out the price here. So I don't see us taking out these highs over here as in price in RSI, but in price we do, or we should, and that way we could get that divergence in play. Something to keep in mind and look is this trend line over here on RSI as well. keep in mind that that could be broken, and we still could have a massive pump upwards. Well, not a massive, but somewhat of a pump. One-to-one extension of that A wave pivoted from that B wave that we were talking about here is still at the 41.25. So there is still a lot, quite kind of couple percentage, yeah, exactly 2% from current price that we could get up to, and that would be the one-to-one. That would be the perfect comparison there. But again, we don't need to get there. As long as we are getting this subway structure in here right, then we should be heading downwards sooner. Now, on this lower time frame count, again, it is not very perfect. We are talking about the possibility of that having this as a 1 2 1 2, possible 3 4 and 5 3 4 and 5. But again, then we had another drop down here, which definitely felt and looked a lot like a follow move. However, we can't really say we can't really use it as a follow because again, we taken out the highs already where it started, and I don't think I can even use this as a ABC because again, my retracement maximum is the 1.618. So again, we did not have any closes beyond that on 5 minutes, so maybe we could be using that as a B and then C. Again, it is very ugly, I have to admit, and now we are again getting these divergences. Some divergences here, not many here. Again, we had a few here while we are creating this curvage here downwards, but again, we're getting few pumps up. I'm not quite sure how this is going to go, but if again we are taking out these highs, I'm expecting us to get another divergence here, which is again telling us that soon we should be getting some kind of pullback downwards. Whether it's another one of these that we had previously, I'm not sure, or whether it is actually the end of that fifth wave, we'll see. But I think that is going to do it for now on S&P 500. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.